In this video, we will see how to fix error code 225 operation did not complete successfully because the file contains a virus error virus infected on your Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of virus error, your file is not opening properly, then here are the fixes. Right click on a start button and choose settings. In settings phase, from the left side, go to privacy and security, scroll down and click on privacy and security. Thereafter, from the right side, click on Windows security. Here choose virus and threat protection. Click on it. Here scroll down and you will find virus and threat protection settings. Click on manage settings and temporarily disable your real-time protection. After your work is finished, don't forget to re-enable real-time protection. So temporarily disable your antivirus program and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, go to same settings page, right click on a start button and choose settings. Here go to privacy and security, go to Windows security. Here choose virus and threat protection, click on it. Here scroll down and click on manage settings, and here scroll down and you will find the option exclusions. Microsoft Defender antivirus should not scan this item. Click on exclusion and click on add an exclusion. Click on it, choose a file or folder which you have facing error, and here choose your files or folders. And click on open, and this file will not scan with your antivirus program. And check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Scan your file explorer through command prompt. Go to Windows search and type cmd and open command prompt windows. Run as administrator mode. Choose run as administrator. Command prompt windows will now open. Here execute the command after blinking cursor as shown on screen. SFC scan file C Windows Explorer.exe. Simply execute this command path to command prompt windows. And paste here and press enter. It will scan your file explorer. If any problem issue found, it will scan and repair them accordingly. After that, restart your system. That's